Student's Book, page 28. 4. A Busy Monday.
The snow started falling on Friday night. It snowed all weekend, too. On Monday morning, everything outside was white. "It's not safe to drive today," a man on the radio said. "All the schools are closed, and the roads are too dangerous to go to the sports center or to go to the circus this evening, everyone. Sorry." Mom and Dad picked up their phones. Mom called the place where she works. She's a dentist. And Dad called the cafe where he works. He's a cook.
No work today,
they said. Mom said,
"I must clean the whole rug and water all the plants too. Let's have a busy day at home. I can make a meat and potato pie. Then I'd like to paint the hall."
Well,
said Dad,
I must fix the washing machine. Then I'd like to make some bread and some onion soup, and then read my new e-book. Mark, you must clean your pet rabbit's cage, feed the puppy, and practice the piano. And how about making that model spaceship?
"All right," I said. "But some pieces are missing, I think. Oh, I've got a text from Alex." Alex is my best friend. I read his message and sent him a quick answer.
"The snow's really deep. We couldn't open our door, but I climbed out a window. Shall I come round?"
Yes! Alex helped me clean the rabbit's cage. That wasn't easy, and we had to catch the rabbit. We didn't feed the puppy because it was asleep on one of Dad's sweaters, and we didn't want to wake it up. We practiced on the piano. We aren't very good, but we had fun. Then we looked at the instructions to make the model spaceship. "There are 57 pieces," I said. "And we must start with these 4 little ones." Alex counted the pieces.
"There are only 53.
He said.
Those 4 little ones aren't here."
"We haven't got all the pieces for the spaceship," I called to my parents.
"Well, help me paint this hall,"
Mom said.
Or help me fix this washing machine,
Dad said.
"Or play your new computer game,"
Alex said quietly. I laughed. "Great idea," I said. "It's not the best computer game that I've got, but it's funny." Alex and I laughed a lot. We had to make the animals move really quickly to catch boats, trains, or buses, or ride in trucks, or fly in helicopters. At the end of the game, the kangaroo was in the supermarket, the lion was in the library, the zebra was in the cinema, and the panda was at the fun fair.
Good game?
Asked Dad.
It was okay,"
we answered.
"Lunch?"
Asked Mom.
"Fantastic,"
we answered. After lunch, Mom made a scarf and emailed all her old school friends. Dad cleaned his football boots and tidied the basement. Alex and I fed our sweet little puppy, which was awake. Then we taught my parrot to say, "Busy day, busy day." Dad videoed it.
Well,
Dad said.
It was a busy day.
Yes, I said. I like being busy. Alex and I cleaned the rabbit's cage, did some piano practice, took a kangaroo from a car park to the supermarket, and a lion to the library, drove a zebra to the cinema, and flew a panda to the fun fair, fed the puppy, and taught our parrot to say, busy day.
That's right. But what about making that model spaceship?
Dad asked.
We couldn't find the last 4 pieces.
Alex said.
Do you mean these?
Dad asked.
I found them in the washing machine.
Yes, I said. Hooray!